Hello and welcome to your Facebook Live Bright MLS series. My name is Mariah Jacobs. I'm a Bright MLS customer success coach. Today we'll be going over one of your auto email settings like Concierge. Now, Concierge is a great tool that you can use within Bright MLS. It allows you to monitor those listings before it's actually sent to your client. Now, say for instance, you have an auto email alert set up for an existing client and you'd like to turn on that setting. Let's first go over where exactly you can make adjustments to the auto alert settings, as well as how to set it up from I would say, organic search. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and click into the clients menu. And then as you see here, we have auto email. Once you click auto email, you'll then select from your auto email options listed on your screen, like this Lisa Frank option here. We're going to click new home waiting. And then we're going to go ahead and select settings. Once you select settings, you want to simply just scroll down to the bottom here. And as you see here, this auto alert has been disabled. So you want to enable this auto alert. And then if the concierge mode has not been used before, it'll look like so. So it'll actually say schedule as soon as possible, daily or monthly. But of course, if you want to turn it a concierge tool, you go ahead and select enable concierge data mode. Scroll back down, and you want to make sure that Bright is sending you an email letting you know that there are listings that matches your client's criteria. You'll then simply click Save and go to Approvals. This will then take you to the screen where there are existing listings that need your approval before they're actually sent to your client. To send those and approve those listings, you want to go ahead and click on the listing ID by clicking like so. Okay. And if this is a listing that you think your client may like, you just go ahead and click the empty open box here. Okay. Now you first want to, of course, select all the listings that match your client's criteria. Okay. So let's click next. Let's select this listing. All right. And then click next. You can select this listing. Now this is, if, of course, if you're looking through all of the listings individually to make sure it has that specific criteria, like maybe gray cabinets, right? So you click through them, look through the photos, look through the property details. You select that empty box here, and then you select Approve Selected. Okay. Once you select Approve as Selected, your client will then receive an email notification with those listings. Okay. Now, if you want to set up an auto alert for an organic search that you're setting up for your client, or an organic auto email alert, you go through your search menu here, select residential sale. We're going to leave our results, our criteria as so, but I'm going to just go ahead and add in a price range. All right. And let's add an additional filter just so we minimize our results. Detach, we have 52 matches, right? So we're going to click results. And once you get to your results screen, what you simply want to do here is click this save option here down on your actions bar and click new auto email. You'll then select the client that you'd like to set that auto alert for, Lisa Frank. Okay. Add in your subject. But what's important, again, just how we reviewed earlier in the presentation, turn on that concierge mode. Once you turn on that concierge mode, you'll go ahead and click the save and go to approvals, which will then take you to the results as we reviewed earlier in the presentation to approve or deny those listings. So this is one way that you can monitor those listings that match your client's criteria so that they are receiving, I would say, everything that they're looking for, right? I don't have a good word for that, but everything that they're looking for. So make sure that you figure out exactly what your client is looking for and set that criteria, monitor it, and then send those listings to them using the Concierge tool within Bright MLS. Thanks for joining and have a great day.